Once upon a time, in a distant galaxy, there existed a lush and vibrant planet named Equusia. It was a world like no other, where rolling plains stretched as far as the eye could see, and towering crystalline mountains glistened in the sunlight. Equusia was renowned for its extraordinary inhabitants, the space alien horses known as Equinians. Equinians were majestic creatures with coats of shimmering, otherworldly colors that changed with their moods. They possessed 4 strong, slender legs and wings of ethereal energy that allowed them to glide gracefully through the sky. But their most remarkable feature was their telepathic abilities, which enabled them to communicate with one another and with the planet's other creatures. For centuries, Equinians and the other beings of Equusia lived in harmony, sharing their knowledge and wisdom with one another. The Equinians were respected for their intelligence, empathy, and their role as guardians of the planet. However, deep within the heart of Equusia's enchanted forest, a mysterious portal had emerged. Unbeknownst to the Equinians, this portal led to the vast universe beyond their peaceful world. Through this rift in space and time, an alien species known as the Centaurians had discovered Equusia. The Centaurians were a formidable race of warrior-like beings, half human and half horse, from a war-torn planet on the edge of the galaxy. They had grown tired of their constant battles and sought a new home, a place of tranquility and beauty where they could start anew. Equusia seemed like the perfect paradise to them. One fateful day, a group of curious Centaurians passed through the portal, emerging in the heart of Equusia. At first, they were captivated by the planet's beauty and serenity. The Equinians, ever welcoming, greeted them with kindness, unaware of the true nature of their visitors. The Centaurians, however, saw an opportunity to claim Equusia as their own. They hatched a plan to seize control, believing their strength and advanced technology would make it easy to dominate the Equinians. As the Equinians sensed the growing tension, they convened a council of their wisest leaders. Their telepathic abilities allowed them to share their fears and suspicions without uttering a word. They decided to confront the Centaurians diplomatically, hoping to avoid conflict. The Equinians approached the Centaurians with open hearts, offering to share their world and their knowledge. But the Centaurians, driven by their desire for power and control, refused the offer and demanded that the Equinians submit to their rule. Realizing that their cherished planet was in grave danger, the Equinians knew they had no choice but to defend their home. They gathered their fellow creatures of Equusia, forming an alliance of telepathic communication and unity. The forest creatures, the aquatic beings, and even the sentient crystals joined forces with the Equinians. A great battle ensued, with the Centaurians wielding advanced weapons and the Equinians relying on their telepathic bonds and natural gifts. The sky filled with energy as wings clashed with technology, and the very ground trembled from the intensity of the battle. In the end, it was the power of unity, empathy, and the deep connection between the Equinians and their planet that triumphed. The Centaurians, humbled by the resilience of the Equusian beings and the unwavering bond they shared with their world, chose to depart in peace, returning through the portal to their own war-torn planet. Equusia remained a haven of harmony and tranquility, protected by the Equinians and their allies. The portal was sealed, and Equusia continued to thrive, a testament to the strength of unity, empathy, and the deep love the Equinians had for their extraordinary planet. And so, the space alien horses of Equusia continued to roam the vibrant plains, their coats shimmering in the sunlight, as they upheld their role as guardians of their beloved world, forever vigilant and ready to protect it from any threat that might come their way.